Learn Photoshop. I'm not talking about making your waist look smaller or hiding acne. No, learn Photoshop to gain a valuable life skill. Design Facebook ads to drive your business. Create beautiful Instagram posts that stand out, YouTube thumbnails that attract clicks. We'll go through over 40 practical projects that'll supercharge your CV. We'll reinvent your business card, and we'll design some outstanding newsletters that'll have your subscribers asking for more. Use these skills for your business, your career, or your personal projects. I've taught over 150,000 students, and I've used all of my experience to create a fantastic course that'll take you from zero to hero. You don't need any previous Photoshop knowledge, just a strong desire to learn a new life skill. In this digital world, you have to be able to produce quality content. This is what this course is all about. Take matters into your own hands. I'll teach you how to work with confidence and create outstanding designs that produce results no matter your background. Photoshop has changed my life, my business, and the way I approach any project. Start right now and don't miss out on this opportunity.